Okay, we're here with Jaffna Mathiaparanam, and she's going to tell us about this amazing painting that she's making right outside the Biocore classrooms and hallway.
Yeah, so this is a mural that I had designed that was kind of supposed to encompass just a lot of the topics that we go over during your classes in Biocore. So kind of going over genetics, signaling, protein folding, evolution, physiology, but kind of more importantly was just kind of melding them all together in sort of a creative way. And the ideal of that was just that you know, as you're going through all the classes, you're going to learn all these facts, but you know, the important part, and like no matter what you want to do in science or whatever you want to go into, is just you and how you look at things and your curiosity about things. So and creativity, and really kind of highlighting how that's important in science and whatever you're going to do in life. So that was like the big ideal of it, which is why there's kind of a person kind of looking in at that and kind of taking in everything like in their mind and what's behind it, stuff like that.
Can you kind of take us through your process from the sketch that you're holding to what we see on the wall?
Yeah, so I had sort of just, I don't know if you guys want to, I had sketched out sort of the larger characters that I wanted to put in there, but I really just started with color when I came on here. And so it is a grid transformation, but then yeah, just kind of the painting and the color was kind of just, yeah. So a big one was I wanted to put in a figure of roots, just because I remember one of the things that had gotten me interested in the first unit was just how substantial the roots of these otherwise like unassuming prairie plants. I guess everybody just kind of imagines like a tree has like a very large network underneath, but no one kind of imagines that like a single stalk of blue stem also has like 18 feet. And so just like it's a very direct, but sort of like a metaphor of like everything you don't see, and like how that affects what you do see and how you figure out why that is. I guess another one, the finches for evolution, and I was trying to find some that had like fairly unique beaks. And I remember I did my project on cactus finches, so that was, I wanted to put that in there. And then I remember a lot about learning with neuroscience and actually the heart and circulatory system a lot in physiology. And I thought that just stuck with me. So I wanted to put that in as well. I've always wanted to do science when I was little and like be a scientist, but I luckily I still like it, but kind of for a different reason. Because when I was little, it was very much just like people who could write a lot of, who just knew everything that was already known, but really appreciating the different sort of creativity and curiosity that goes into like actually being a scientist and moving like a field forward. That's something that I don't think a lot of very young children realize, or even like in entering college students. I hope you look at this and you kind of see, like, I hope you feel that sort of like maybe whimsicalness that got you into science, and like, you know, going through school is, you know, anything that's challenging is not always fun, but you should be reminded that it is fun, and it is like why you're in it. And I hope it, you know, brightens your day.